Hey there, in this video I'll take you through a 5-minute stretching routine, and then at the end of the video I'll show you the assessment results that this stretching routine would be most effective for. So let's get right into things. This first stretch right here is going to stretch the upper traps. So what you want to do here is move that shoulder down and back, and make sure that shoulder blade moves down and back too. And then you want to gently move the head to the side. Now you should feel this stretch right there in the side of the neck and right there in the upper traps. And then you'll do the same thing here on the other side. So move that other shoulder down and back, and move the shoulder blade down and back too, and move the head to the other side. So if you're moving that left shoulder down and back, you'd move the head to the right side. If you move your right shoulder down and back, you'd move your head to the left side. Now this next stretch here is going to be kind of the same thing as the first one. So again here you're going to move that shoulder down and back, and move that shoulder blade down and back too. And you're going to move the head to the side a little bit, but then also in front of you too. So basically you'll be moving that head diagonal. Remember here, head moves to the opposite side as the shoulder that moves down and back. You should feel this stretch here in the levator scapula, kind of in that back side of the neck. And then you're going to stretch the other side here, so you're going to do the other levator scapula. So move the other shoulder and other scapula down and back, and move the head to the other side. Remember again, the head moves to the opposite side as the shoulder that moves down and back. Now for this next stretch right here, you're gonna extend the thoracic, so keep that upper back arched, and then you're gonna lift that head off the ground. This is gonna put that cervical inflection and round the neck, so we can stretch out those cervical extenders. You should feel this stretch in the back of the neck, and you might feel it between those shoulder blades too. Now for this next stretch right here, you're going to find a corner or a pole. You're going to put your hand on it and make sure your hand's about the height of your head. You could put it a little higher or a little lower depending on how it feels. And then walk out, turn to the side, and turn to the side that's away from the corner or pole. You should feel this stretch in the pecs. If you're feeling it in the shoulder, try to extend that thoracic a little more. So try to arch that upper back a little more. And then same thing here on the other side. Put the hand at about the height of your head against a corner or a pole. Walk out, turn to the side, and then you can arch that upper back if you need to. Now for this next stretch right here, we're going to hit that anterior deltoid. So put your hand behind your back and put it on that opposite hip. At this point, the elbow should be pointing straight toward the side. You're going to try to point that elbow back behind you more. And while you're doing that, try to move that shoulder back too. You should feel this stretch in the front of your shoulder. So here I'm just showing this stretch from different angles just to show where the hand should be, where the elbow should be, and where the shoulder should be. And then you'll do the other side. I'll kind of show different angles from this side too. So here you can see that that shoulder is way back behind me, and the elbow is moving back too. Now this stretch right here is also going to hit the pecs too, so you want to find a doorway and then grab each side with both of your hands. And then after, you might need to slide your hands up more, then walk out and lean slightly forward. The nice thing about this stretch is it will make it easier to extend the thoracic, or I should say arch the upper back, because you got both of those shoulders back, which will help you retract the scapula so those shoulders can move back more. If your pushing form looks like this here from the side and like this here from the front, and your pulling form looks like that there from the side and like this here from the front, these will be the necessary stretches that fit your individual needs to help you fix these misfunctions. Alright, in the future I'll be coming out with more workout and assessment videos, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so you do not miss out on those videos. Thanks for watching, and I wish the best of luck to each and every one of you at achieving your fitness goals.